Today we invited our parents into our beautiful school to learn about their child's learning. They were able to participate in learning activities about spelling with their child.
Hi, my name's Toby Sloan. I'm a parent of 2 children at St Catherine's. I think it was really good. It was a bit of an insight into what the classroom's like. So we got to see the kids actively learning, actively showing what they've done, and then for us to try and understand and practice and get them to teach us on what's going on. So it's been a great experience. We've seen it for a number of years, and the growth from the kids across the last 2 years has just been amazing. My daughter's a tough teacher, so she kept us on track and on lesson, and it was good. It was good for them to show their applied learning, so what was being discussed and what they showed us, and then telling us how we did it wrong. I think definitely make the time to come. It's something that no matter what time of day it is or time of year it is, it's worth getting in here because you can see the benefits of what the great teaching is doing in the school and then seeing how the kids are actually growing and learning.
I'm Catherine McDonald and I have a child here at St Catherine's. It's interesting. We got a bit of exposure to it last year through the home learning, so to be able to see the extension of that in the classroom and how the kids are applying that and I guess progressing on from when they were a year ago, it was really good. It's really worth the time to come. It's really special for the kids. They really enjoy having the parents here to be able to pass on the knowledge of what they're learning, and they get such a kick out of being the ones that are showing us around their world.
I'm Linda O'Donnell, Principal of St Catherine's. Our staff, parents and students are passionate about learning. We believe in working in partnership with our parents. Each term our parents have an opportunity to come to the school and learn about what their children have been working on in class.
Our parents love turning up to this. They really enjoy finding out what their children are learning about.
We'd love to share this with more parents, so we welcome you to come on down to St Catherine's anytime.